Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is what is in a pond in the beginning of March. What animals will we find? What's down there? Are going to be fish, frogs, newts, leeches? Only one way to find out. Okay, so what we're going to do, drain the pond, set up a little holding tank over here for little fish, other wildlife we find. They're going to go in there. Most of the water is going to go into the garden, water the flower beds, any sort of sludge and silt can go just in and around the garden. Got a lovely assistant there, she's ready to go. Ready to rock. And yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what's actually down there. Okay, so the pond's filling up, plants are chopped back, everything's tidied up. So we've kept all the original plants, just chop them back a little bit really. Pumps cleaned out, waterfalls tidied up. Water's been treated so you can fill it all the way up to the top. And we'll show you what we found. Okay, so pond is now finished. We've caught all the animals. The animals we have are fish. Unfortunately, there was no frogs or newts or anything like that. So, beginning of spring, and obviously they decided not to go in the water as yet. But I'll show you what fish we've got. So here we've got a nice golden orb. We'll pop him back in. And so we've got golden orb and goldfish. So pretty standard really. We'll count them up and let you know how many we have altogether. So we found 18 fish. There was 5 golden orth and then 13 goldfish. And there's no signs of newts or frogs at the moment. So to be honest, I thought there may have been with the type of pond it was. Lots of plants around the outside, lots of vegetation for them to get in and out. Usually we find them hiding behind the plant pots or in the liner creases. So just the way it goes really. Some ponds have them, some ponds don't. Be interesting to know, have you had any work done this time of year? Have you found anything in there? If so, let us know in the comments below. Okay, so if you want to see some more videos, let us know. Hit the button below, like and subscribe. We work all over Sussex, Surrey and Hampshire, and we help people with all different types of ponds. So if you want to see how we do it, how we can help you, hit that button.